I'm tell you what go on. I'm tell you what go on, dog. Here I go on, brother. Takes a step up and say, yo, here. I give him a washing machine. I mean, just come in.
I just go.
I don't go on. A washing machine, the man get anchored. Yeah. Take in a high school, but in take in a college. That thing though. So you can't go on talk. I don't go on. Yeah. Take your washing machine and take it later in life.
Close up wash.
Close up wash.
Things are time change, you know. We have to do
No, what with that, brother? No, what with that? I have intro Q1. I always claim is a college man. Q1. Anyway, welcome back to another episode of the Reason Being podcast. And today, I don't know, we have the grassroots Cuban man. Yo, people don't know, say, yo, Agavia come from. Agavia have runners, you know. We have runners, yes, but we have jumpers. And one of the best jumper, right? In that Jamaica, Carey McLeod. What go on, my bro?
Yeah, go on. Man like earbuds.
Big up.
So people, we are one of the greatest to ever done it in the island.
And in the NCAA.
Earbuds. And in the NCAA, you know. Earbuds with a PR of 840 and 1717.
I mean, stats to them, man.
We double it. You know, I mean, we can more relate. You know, because that's not an easy task to double and excel so well, you know?
Yeah.
So it's a great feeling just to have you here. Thank you for your time to be here with us today. So why pray now? We are reason now.
There, bro. Just there, go on.
You're not there. That don't look like a foreign. That don't look like a foreign.
I'm home. I'm in my home country.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
I'm in my home country.
All right. Yeah. Where you do a yard?
It doesn't feel like we need a mental break from overseas, honestly.
Oh.
Just book a ticket and come home and say, oh, just spend some time with family and stuff like that. You know, you're going to America.
Yeah.
You really have family and friends like that. So
yeah.
We feel like something missing, but we don't know what it was.
Yeah.
Just say, right, just go home, go see if we can, you know, regain that spark, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which spark you missing?
From track and field, like track and field is one thing, but you have a life outside of track and field. You can't just make your life a track and field, kind of make you feel like nothing else now go on there. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you can still be happy outside of track and field.
True.
Track and field, I go sideways means your life outside of track and field, feel sideways.
Hold on, which part of your life I go sideways? Like a picture? Like that.
Like track and field. You know the way there. You still have to, go dive in and one and
yeah.
Like earbuds. Literally.
You see, you know it's crazy. Like now we think about it, we always get with name.
Yeah.
We don't know what the event our life are gonna
be. Yeah.
True.
So sometimes people get a name and you never yet figure out why they have that name there until some drastic event happening in their life. And the name actually makes sense. You know, makes sense at first.
Yeah.
Makes sense now.
So hold on. Tell me though that. What go on? What go on? What really go on with that, brother?
So it's like when I book it down the runway, you see me? You know me close. You know when you know audience can probably relate to this a lot.
Approach. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you know you're close. But you try to get in the jump because you know it's a good jump.
I forget it.
So you just jam the foot on the ground. You see, they jam the foot too much and have so much force. It kind of make you hyperextend. And then the new board where they did that use now, it never has to look a plasticine where kind of raise up the grip but stop your foot.
Yeah.
They just slide straight off of the board. And then they just it's basically a hyperextension. They catch it so perfect.
Yeah.
The other people when we see slip off of the board, most of them land on their face.
Oh.
So they hit the board now and go up in the air and I say, yo, what on?
The runner was wet.
No, because they know come from yard, they know for scale fence and them things. So the only way to stop, the only way we could have slowed down myself was just, just throw me hand out to kind of balance. So I try to break the fall.
Break the momentum.
So that's really how it end up come out sideways. Because we go up in the air, I never panic none at all.
Oh.
Yeah, it went viral though.
No, it's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
Crazy. That was probably like one of the best moments of my life. Honestly, that moment changed my life. No,
for real?
That moment changed
no, for real. In terms of what?
Because remember, we just come out of college. That was like a big exposure, and any shoe company would have want stuff like that. So If you
Right.
say everybody a talk about it, because if you and be honest, nobody never talk about who win and get medal and them there. That was
That
them
them talk
True,
about. Yeah,
true,
that was
true,
it. That
true,
was it
true,
for
true,
real.
so
true.
Mm-hmm.
them there are the stuff them where when me look on and realize say, yo, I market that.
Yeah.
Maybe we could have marketed
Yes.
myself a lot better if I didn't know what I know now.
Mm.
Would have been a lot more better with marketing that because that video they broke up to today that video post to get more than millions of views, bro.
Yo, oh,
Brother.
that went straight viral, bro.
Easily.
Yeah,
Everywhere,
bro.
everywhere.
Easily.
Everywhere.
I see that
Everywhere.
everywhere. So,
Yes.
all right. So, all right. About the marketing thing.
What you know
What you
now?
thought?
Oh, go
Yeah,
through.
okay, yeah. Go
What
on,
you
go on,
know?
go on.
What you know now? What you feel like would I make it different?
Yeah.
I don't think how me go about it was wrong because me personally did a wait to this moment because I know I'm capable of doing.
Look.
So in my head, me I say, all right, I never want to sign directly out of college without knowing how worlds would have go because you know, like some people that just take that money there and just lose the motivation right there and then.
Yeah.
Never
Right.
really,
Oh,
never
okay,
really
okay.
bank on that aspect. But that bank on say, all right, me don't do what me have to do in an NCAA, so me know me that get a contract regardless. But it's a
Yeah.
matter of
Right.
how much more money me can pull. And the
Oh.
pull the money now would have been from getting a medal from that global championship. So it was never about me never know me that do in a college. Me do everything what me need to do in a college. So if a
Yeah.
true company never want me, then would that be a joke, if that makes sense.
True.
So,
True.
So
so,
me
so,
did
so, all
pretty
right.
much
Oh, finish.
check off
Finish.
college and then say, all right, we go worlds and do what we have to focus on worlds. So that way we never lose motivation at the time. So that's pretty much all the movement
Yeah.
really happened.
So, so
Yeah.
what was your support system like? Moving
In
like
terms
to make
of
that in terms of figure right, throughout college and to make that a big choice because market yourself and say okay I go take that a breeze day at that
Yeah.
time when you're done in college wait what make you make that choice why your support system more in your corner to kind of guide you through that whole ordeal.
to be honest, I never really have much people in my corner when I could have say help me make the decision. It was more of I don't know like humble. Me not flashy. So it
Yeah.
never surprised me. Like me know me did capable of and me know me did work. Me hear numbers and figures or whatever. But in
Yeah.
my head, if it don't make sense, it not gonna make sense if me do it.
Right.
Because
True.
basically once you sign the contract, you basically sign over your rights to somebody else. And if you sign over your rights in that regard, you'd have to sign over for a decent piece of food or something like that. You get me?
True.
So
True.
Right.
in my head, it was never about the flashiness because if a majority of people them would have say, all right, yo, them here contract and turn idiot. You get me? I say,
Yeah.
even though
Yeah.
I know everybody fortunate to have that decision, but it kind of put you at a spot where the company then realize say it's not just money. You get me? I say it's just
Yeah.
like him have the made fun in body pretty much because people like stuff like that. You know, you can say somebody, all right, let me give you $5 for wearing shoes and then just take it and run with it. But if you look for me and say, me I give $5 for wearing shoes, and I said, no, I'm worth more than that.
Right.
Then
It's all about the work.
also the trick to it is you can use other companies to win over other companies.
Yeah.
Just like
Like,
if you know
negotiate.
somebody interested in you, just wear the other brand and them just say,
Yes.
cool.
Yeah, it's a need to negotiate.
Yeah.
So you can navigate yourself.
Yeah. And it's the same thing when it come on to younger athletes when they want to make a transition come to NCAA.
College.
We negotiating. With other
True.
schools. I mean,
Right.
who can put at the best deal, but at the same time, it might be not be the best fit. A school might give you a best deal, but might not be the best fit. You know what I mean? I say, yeah. So it all depends, it's a scale. I have to be very mindful of that, especially for younger athletes where I come out of Jamaica and transfer in an NCAA right now. They have to be mindful of that. You see me?
Yeah. I try to tell a lot of people when they ask me like that decision process and stuff like that. Your parents can't make the decision for you. So if you ever feel like your parents can't make the decision, like you will never ever make a decision.
Never.
Like we come from a third world country. As soon as your parents hear some money involved in it, take it.
Oh,
You get
no. You want to know what's that? No, stick up it. Two honest stick up it. Two honest stick up it. That washing machine and thing and bathing short from the guy can't see. So listen.
No bother with that. No bother with that. No.
Like that one there.
Hey, you know we are talking about. A talent and hard work, brother. This is not a washing machine. Washing machine business, brother. Talent and hard work.
Yo, hold on. Let me tell you. You see, the boy recruit only from the Western, say, look from the Western side.
Mm-hmm.
That me here. Yo, I'll give him a washing machine. Well, anyway,
No bother with that, brother.
so
No bother with that.
It's a myth. Let's clear it. It's a myth.
Yeah, that was the truth. It just, I guess, from the outside looking in, people can say KC people hype.
Yeah.
That's really what it is until you be a part of the culture. Just like them would have said.
Yeah, it look nice. It look nice. Honestly, it look nice. I could joke there, man.
Let me tell you, brother. Let me tell you that. Me not like no knock to Garvey. Love Cubans, but brother. KC, me not like. I best, brother. And me don't know. People say, people give all boys school like a bad reputation. But me think say all boys school like best school. Because guess what? You just focus, brother. Believe you me, dog.
No distraction.
Me not tell no lie, dog. I really talk, brother.
All boys school too, so.
Come on, all boys school.
Yeah.
You don't think I call it?
No.
Think I did call it, brother?
School.
All boys school, man.
Yeah,
All boys school, man.
So hold on there. Hold on there. So one kid did never go straight into the NCAA. You never go JUCO or go straight into. Where school you go again, man?
Wichita.
Yeah.
Wichita.
When you go there, so? No, you didn't go there. You tell me.
No, I'm go Empora.
Empora.
Oh, Empora.
Yeah. That's in Kansas.
Oh.
So that's still Wichita, Kansas. No.
Wichita there. The Wichita.
No, in Empora. It's a small.
Oh, yeah, okay. Because remember, when we come down there.
Yeah, JUCO.
Yeah, we got JUCO. We go down there. Yeah. So.
I don't want JUCO. I want D2.
D2. Yeah. But we there at JUCO. Me and Karim did there at JUCO.
Yeah, we go down there.
Trust me, the man is a keep me there.
Yeah. So I'm first win still.
I guess when I come out of high school, I don't think I did pass maths.
Oh.
I think I did get like 4 in a maths.
Me get 5, brother, so you better have me right.
No, me
get
get
4 in a maths, and you did have to have maths in order to be like fully a part of the NCAA. So when I did just go, I did partially qualify. So I did have academic scholarship, but I couldn't compete. So instead of go sit down and waste the year, I just go somewhere to finish up some credits and then transfer over. And then it did so happen that I did finish everything so fast, I could have just transfer out. I didn't need all of the credits.
So you had a D1 at that time, potential D1.
Hold on, you know where I talk to that? We are talking about that.
Listen, man.
Brother, we are talking about that. You never captain Casey?
Yeah.
You never win goal?
Yeah.
So you man ask you off for Brian. I want to dog. What you talking about, brother? Man, the most out to them, man, the most have brother.
More understand it, like the whole transition, that me I get to. See, yeah, the whole transition me I get to. So when I go for Empora, you say Empora?
Yeah.
So after Empora, you mostly have.
We got Tennessee.
You got Tennessee. You go first.
No, I must say before my talk about.
No, before.
So here's where you go.
Yeah.
In high school. I mean, that time I got college. I signed with Arkansas.
Right.
But after I signed with Arkansas, I realized that the course we got Tennessee. So while in that transitional process now, I realized that I did still do SAT and all of them. I did pass all of them there. And then because of the GSAT at the time, I never did have the maths. And you need the maths because them they are the 5 core subjects.
CXC.
Yeah.
So
CXC.
I realized that the course is got Tennessee. So now the only way to get out of that when they already signed, but I have to go on different school. Or I have to go on JUCO to cancel it out pretty much. So that's when we end up got the D2. So then after the D2 now, I could have just make the move instead of because you can't do at the time that's you can't do a 4-4 or whatever.
Yeah.
That was the whole thing with that try navigate through. So that's how we end up got
so you think you're bigger than JUCO? They couldn't get JUCO and done?
It wasn't said bigger than JUCO, it was just like remember, most of the coaches have friends or have connection. So it was more like, it wasn't my choice. It was just like, whole athlete, I'm going to help support the team. And then, you help him and me, I help. So
basically,
it was just like,
basically the same thing we do. That's how come I end up at Iowa Central because we did sign to Nebraska first.
Right.
You see me? And then
still out Nebraska, dog.
Rasta cool in a dog.
That man did that, yeah? Yo, tell her that. With that joker, brother, the man I got in the Rask every weekend, brother. Every weekend. The man just decide to say, me don't know when you have down there, you have sitting down there.
Bro, the people them don't say want me in, bro. Like we can come to a part, bro, where me did love Nebraska. Like, and they might own the school.
They have a jumps program at the time.
Yeah, at the time they did have a mad jumps program, bro.
Yeah, the program used to be good.
Yeah, and then come a Jamaica, come watch me Western champs.
Recruit.
Then my recruit, then come. Well, then I think I want another meet. 2 meet, then come watch me, brother. You see me? Like, sit down and we draw up, and then meet my family. They were so invested, bro.
Yeah, the coach. What the coach name again?
Every time Chris Slack did a coach. Then time there.
Yeah.
Slack. Yeah. Mad. Yeah, they're hot. You see me? Yeah. To the place, man. But anyways, me ain't up good. Me obviously guns up.
I'm telling you what I go on, dog. Here I go on, brother. Takes a stick up and say, yo, here I give him a washing machine. I mean, just come in.
I just go.
I don't go on. A washing machine, man, get and go. Yeah. You know, take in a high school, but in take in a college. That thing do. So you can't go on talk. I don't go on. Yeah. You know, take your washing machine and take it later in our life. Close up for wash.
Things are time change, you know. We have to do
it. I want to with that, brother. I want to with that.
That's it. But carry it off.
Tennessee, brother.
Yeah.
So you just decided you're going to stick with the coach. I forgot Tennessee, basically.
Yeah.
So give a change the coach and that all.
It was, I guess I can say, like, loyalty, I guess.
Okay.
People will see your talent
potential
actually explode. Because when we did just go KC at the time, my PR was like 640 something when we just got KC.
Dog,
all class 2 man that jump.
You need to talk it through, dog. Tell the people let me say
when you PR when we left Garvey was 1450.
But why? Brother, you jump over decks and anything there, brother. You not no jumps program, brother.
Right, but me just say which part the connection did start from with the coach.
Oh,
right?
sorry.
We did just go KC was one of the first coach when we did meet. Before me jump 7 meter, before me jump 16 meter. He was the first person when we did, know at the time. So in my head, me I say, yo, Arkansas, they kind of have a vibe. And then you start, go through and you look through the list and you realize, yo, be a capman used to go there, so be a big jumper. When you look for an NCAA list, right now up to this day, if you check the list, most of them Arkansas man in the top 10.
Yeah.
So in my head, me I say, me want to be a part of the best. Me have to join which part me know the program work. And then the coach did just have a good connection because he used to communicate with me, he used to check in and stuff like that. Most of the other coaches, all them did tell about was other people, and me never like people where I tell about other people return. So he never did give that, like he never that sell me nothing. Basically. So it was a decision I have to say, all right, yo, me make up my mind and I ask me about like, because we have to make the choice. I mean, I want a lead and 5 other coaches I know. Like some people did fly out on them sitting there. Me never did care, because me just never did care at the point. So there's something I go on a visit. As soon as I go on a visit, me just sign, because I say, I can't bother with the back and forth business. From then, you just, when you know the feeling, you know the feeling. So that's probably how I explain it. Like, me can't explain if you say, yo, because me get better offers, whatever. It wasn't about that. It was about going somewhere where me did feel like home. If that makes sense.
So you didn't see like it was already a tunnel there because Clive Pullen was there?
Not necessarily say because Clive did it. He was a good role model. But we can say, all right, he did great at the university or whatever, but that couldn't define if me gonna be great or not.
Right.
So it wasn't surely because of him. We have like raw materials, we have proof to say, oh, this work, this no work. So it's not a case where we are going blind and say, yo, Jamaicans go there and them never survive. We know Jamaicans go there and survive, but we try to figure out where them go do, why them never survive in our longevity, if that makes sense. So when we realized that it was like, because we never did know Clive like that until when we did actually go Arkansas, we did end up know him like that.
Okay. I thought it. Okay. I thought you knew him before.
Because remember I did left school and all of that stuff. So we never really did know him like that until like when we go school. Then we start with their own him a little bit more because him that train obviously and stuff. So it wasn't a case where me know say, yo, Clive did this or some run down there because
Yeah,
me know say that jumper they did this.
No, but the program worked.
Yeah, the program worked for sure.
The program definitely worked because if you look funny right now, Zane, you have man like you, like Clive done it. You have man like you have Peanut, you have the high jumper you there. Like Romy, like the program worked, bro. Like there's no question. There's no question about it. Zane?
Yeah.
That's why I say, that's why I ask, like there was proof there.
Right.
You see me? So like, that's what I say, if you turn left, that really kind of like confuse you and say, okay, I just say you want to be a part of best. And I think at the time they did that fuel and it's still fueling right now, even in a different state.
Yeah, but not in my case. Because as I say, me always stand out, me always there by myself.
Yeah.
And as a Cuban man, you never really have whole heap of people you can say, yo, me I look up to that person. Because when me that left, when me did the Garvey, and then when me see Carey McLeod, then me I look at it and I say, yo, the man want better. And then in my head, it did click in my head and me did say, yo, me did reach out to you and say, yo, dog, link the
road.
Because I saw it start. So it really started from Carey, to be honest.
Hold on.
Because I realize, say, make a step forward and I say, yo, more, you know them way them I say, yo, me I go make a transition.
Take your flowers, bro.
So I didn't really just say it start from, to be honest. Because when me see him make the move, I would have Garvey wasn't nothing though. Like, to be honest.
Yeah,
like,
for real.
So that's why I say like certain stuff now don't really frighten me because we used to rougher days of Garvey. So like if somebody come say, oh, we have track, bro, my train pan grass track till my shoes tear up.
Grass through. No
so,
zero force.
So a track now go frighten me I say, yo, because the school have a better facility, why am I go there so? If the program not align with where I want to go. So it really go from just like me, you know, like doing my own research and not just what me see what people do. Because if I say the case, not because you have an elite group, that's what means that if you go there, you have an elite too. It now must work for you.
Good point.
Right.
So it have to be a choice where you realize that you do your own research, and then you can tell when it is right or when it's not right. You have the feeling, you know.
Yeah.
Make the feeling and you just feel anxious, so you know so you do something wrong.
Yeah. But no cut you. But you had an amazing NCAA career, right? You transitioned into pro. World champs, Olympics, you name it, you're there, right?
True. And I miss a team.
Why didn't you move with your coach?
It was more personal as it relates to maybe injuries. Like we can have an amazing season and then every time we go championship we fall short. We just never know why. So it was something where it did more mental for me. You know, like you're frustrated about stuff. You know what you're capable of. Everybody knows.
Right.
The animal always say like whatever you sip on paper, don't guarantee it say that will be the result.
True.
But you know say you want better for yourself. You know what you can do.
Right.
But if you're not in the environment, the mind frame, all of that stuff, what you want to achieve now will get done.
So hold on, I want to change the environment because it seems as if you left, you got Tennessee for same coach, transfer Arkansas same coach. Are the same system?
Yeah. It is the same. It is to some extent, but college is a little bit different. When we did the college, it was more so me in a college. Nobody never did. When we did Tennessee, me alone.
Yeah.
Right.
But when you have a lot more people, it's a lot harder to deal with.
Or focus.
Specific needs. You get me? I say like me and Wayne jump the same. Me and Jaden don't jump the same. So like,
but Janai was there at the time too. Wasn't I there too?
Jordan did.
No, Nine.
Janai.
Oh, Nine did end up transfer over there.
Yeah.
And at the time, but I say, but I get hurt over and over. But I just never know what it was. So in my head, I say, the program.
Okay.
So then I say, I already lose. So if you make a change, you still lose.
Yeah.
So in my head, I say, you're not lose if you make a you try. That means say you try something different. That means same thing. I expect different results basically. So say no hard feelings. I just have to go try figure it out that way.
Yeah.
If this way not work. Because
Yeah, so
clearly she would say that way not working.
yeah. So you make that choice there, right? I mean, you have to make a lifetime decision based on your own career experience, right?
And your contract.
And
I mean, you have obligations are real
contract too.
talk.
Right.
Yeah. For real. So where you at right now and where you saw this season win, did you feel like it was a right choice for you?
Bro, hell yeah. Bro,
Hell,
last year was crazy, bro. Like we did some crazy stuff last year. And as I say, and how track and field work, you can't predict the unfortunates.
right.
Last year we started the season 8:30 after 14 step. Then but that was
Training?
a lot more. Eh? No,
In training?
The Atlanta meet.
Oh, from
Yeah.
That was
14?
our 14 step.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
So it's not a matter of it's just some stuff where I feel like I never trust myself. So
Yeah.
me get hurt late down in the year because I never trust myself. That was the
Yeah.
only downside what I can say. Why last year play out how it play out. Me get
No,
hurt.
because we were worried about you. We even talk
No, me
about
get
it on,
hurt.
on the part. I was like, I'm not seeing Carey on the scene. Like, where is Carey?
Yeah.
We airborns. Like, we're not seeing airborns on the scene. So we're definitely concerned and we definitely know what going on. And then, well, my thoughts was, I was like, yo, who's coaching him? Where is that? Like, what's going on? Because, me know, say, you never move to the camp and you stay in Arkansas. I mean, I wonder, say, yo, if you are trained by yourself, if you are, say, iron sharp and iron,
No,
you have your own thing.
I was pretty much structuring my whole thing.
Like from growing up?
Bro, you see when you but they're around the court so long, you have to learn. If you jump 8 meters, you have to know something.
Yeah, of course, most definitely.
Anybody can jump 8 meters.
Yeah.
No matter how fast them be or how you think them we jump 799. You jump 799 for 20 years of your life. You have to know something outside of the average.
Mm-hmm.
So it was more of me was always observant.
Mm-hmm.
I'm always I pay attention to the details. I always write down stuff. I might not write it down, but sometimes it's just lacking in your brain. For me, I know I'm not the most as it relates to talent. No, I can't say yo, I have the gift or whatever. But talent wise, when we start from, you wouldn't imagine this.
Yeah.
So if my dad was surely half say, all right, me talented from my dad go Garvey, you would have heard about me from a long time.
True.
Nobody never know who I was until Casey.
I mean, greatness take time though, bro.
Right. So it comes from the years of learning. Cause nobody in my family know the jumps. Nobody in my family know the sports.
Yeah.
So it has to be something you do separately from what everybody else do.
Yeah.
I never have nobody who can just say, all right, yo, how you do long jump? Enough people used to laugh after me. But we never stop. You get me? I said, so it's like we use certain stuff when we see or when we hear people we say and kind of like say, all right, yo, in order for be when we just have a college and stuff, they must say, oh, be a party and all of that stuff. You can party, but you just have to budget out where you do.
True.
You still have to live life. You get me? I say, there's always a con to every pro. You just have to make sure, say, when you choose that pro day, the con now outweigh the pro.
Facts.
And you can go about life easily. So it was more like that for me. When I learn what the coach I do. I never question him and say, why me do this?
Yeah.
If me do it, I realize I turn on the light bulb. I realize the other switch flick it. I'm going to say 10 other switch. I'm now going to try to flip the other 10 switch. I'm going to flip that one switch because I know other one in the world. So I saw technical event work. You have to know what works for you and stick to what works for you. You can't, because you say, oh, you know, there's a jar one sled with 50 pounds on it. You go jar 50 pounds sled. You still have to stick to your 20 pounds. You get me? I say,
yeah.
Jar 50 and
Good point.
It's not going to be the same. It's not going to be the same as what you're going to do. So it was just more like me knowing exactly what me I do. Like, you have to know what you do. You have to know what you do.
So So I tried it once, bro, and it's very difficult. That's why I can speak on it. It's very challenging. Even just training by yourself, bro. It's mentally it's a how you get
Mental
over
game.
that barrier. Yeah, the mental game for just train by yourself.
But honestly, Mr. Man, I'm not curious, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like, sometimes I wish me can have a training partner or whatever, but with training partners, it comes with too much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes a man can wake up one day and maybe him woman in a things or whatever, and him come and show a bad vibe, mess up the whole training.
Yeah.
So me's a man that me come about training and me just want to train and do what me have to do. Because me I think about something different from what you I think about. Yeah, everybody
Right.
have them ways, everybody have whatever flaws or whatever, but me just not care, bro. Like, me just come and training and me alone, me just do what me have to do. The only time I can say it might get challenges if you have to do everything. Like, if you need to do approach, you have to do the approach and not try check in your head that different. But if you say you just need somebody who can just record for you, because I'm go well if I meet and just find random people in a distance and give them a phone and just make them record.
They probably like it. They probably are like that.
No. But all right. So in a training now, Zane, because it's so technical, you need to see. You need somebody to analyze what you do. Or you have to analyze yourself. In terms of when you jump, when I do technical stuff, when I jump day per se. And you do approach or you do some short approaches. You see me? Do we have people that record you then or you have to set up your phone? Like, what's the process like for you doing those days?
So me not do that much jumping. Crazy. We not do wall if I jumping.
Okay.
Like, we not just get up because I know how to jump.
Yeah.
So it's like too much repetition is not good.
True. I agree with that, yeah.
So sometimes you want, like, if me know say me there
just want the feeling.
Yeah, so, you just want the feeling, so you go and do some one jump or whatever. All right, that did feel rush, and you go back again and you slow it down. Then you can look back and you say, all right, we're good. But as far as like nitpicking and tearing apart the whole jumps, I never really big on that.
Okay.
So maybe that was something. So now me, like, as I'm saying, taking a break, step and look from the outside, look in, to get a better, understanding or whatever. Me can look and say, yo, other people jump further because they tear down the jump down to the tee.
Yeah.
We don't do that. Because we know if we jump, we just put on your spikes and run, go let's go jump. But to me, if we jump 820 to whole heap of people are farther. So it now go get analyzed or it's supposed to get analyzed. So
break it down for
in a full aspect, we have to just say, oh, all right, we jump, but we can't full brain enough to break down the video. If we develop the habit, we are gonna stop. So whenever you try to have so much of that information there, all we need to do is make sure say, yo, your strides on point, all of this on point, and you're good. Everything will take you right. Yeah, so it's like stages.
As long as the approach good, you're good.
Literally, you can do foolishness in the air and still jump far. No, really.
Real talk, bro.
You practice perfect technique and your worst technique jump at the furthest jump of your life.
Yeah. I mean, bro, it's all about hitting the angles, bro. You have to hit it right angles at the right moment, bro. That's why they give you 6 jumps to hit the angles.
Okay.
That's how it is. But technically, I just told me and it.
Yeah, man, we know nothing. Yeah,
we can get with a lot of stuff.
Yeah, you can get with a lot of stuff. But other people can't because we can't jump. But all right. So why the long jump over the triple jump?
May I make you answer that question there? What? May I make you answer that question?
All right, okay. So all right, personally, I like the triple jump better. But in your case, what would I say? It take a lot of toll on the body. It comes with a lot of pounding in relates to the long jump. You know what I mean? I say it beats up your body.
We can't try.
Crazy. I'm telling something crazy. You know, so when I do triple jump, I never used to practice.
Oh, for real? No, it's ugly still, you know. You know, it's true. It ain't like you practice. Yeah. When you jump that 17 meters, it's an ugly 17 meters, bro. Ugly 17 meters I ever see.
Right. But guess what the difference?
It was strong.
When you know a certain concept,
Yeah.
you work
It
with
is
it.
very
That's what
strong.
I'm
Yeah.
telling. So many people do more technical stuff than me, but can't jump further than me. Why?
Yeah.
Because me hit the main point them so fast in a seed.
Yeah. Yeah, he was so strong. The contact was so good, but the jump was so ugly.
Right.
Yeah.
So the technique all over the place. So that kind of show you say him not
Yeah.
actually do this, him not actually practice this. Him
Yeah.
just we know say SEC come up to need some points.
Yeah.
You can't do it. We will score
Yeah.
some points. Why not? Because at the time me I
Yeah.
jump 8:30, so for me hop on step that and me a squat and do all sort of sitting in the weight room. My little weight can't hurt me.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
me just, that's what I'm saying, me never care. And triple jump, as a man that do triple jump, you just not care. Because if you care,
Yeah.
you go just guard the board and feel like say, yo, me the far from the board, me never about to attempt to jump.
Yeah.
You just
God.
you
I,
can't
I,
feel
was and he was pretty fast too. You have a
And
lot of speed going
technical.
down the road. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, over the years watching your development, right? Your technique when they're coming down the runway changed so much.
Yeah.
Like
Explain. Hold on. You have to break that one down. I mean, I really see the
break it
difference,
up.
you know. Yeah, go through.
You see, you won't see it for your average eyes. You won't see it.
But all right, when
I'm
you see
not breaking
Carey,
up.
brother, Carey upright in my runs up, boom, boom, boom,
Upright.
boom, 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 boom. So what
Right.
changed in that day?
Listen, in develop, because you get more strength, you get stronger. See, you learn how to run better. So you know, in perfect running form that he have when he did at KC,
Yeah,
it become more perfect.
efficient.
Like efficient person.
Yeah,
Because he knows to run better now. Because you know, as you say, come in a system, you know, they teach us to run.
yeah.
So now when he push out, now he pushes them better. And when he come upright, because he in perfect form.
Yeah, man, if them
So
strong
when he
fret,
bumps
brother.
down the wrong way, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Say, and then how in transition off the board with them high knees there. I was like, bro, like, I don't know how you do it. You know, it's like everybody run different. Everybody not gonna run the same. But you have to watch the whole transition night and for what I'm doing in high school. Cause man, I jump 16 meters in high school, bro.
Yeah.
It take normal people to do that.
Normal people do it.
Yeah.
You know what I say? That tough. Me never jump 16 meters in high school. Me not hit 16 meters till me in college, bro. You know what I say?
Yeah.
And then income, you know, Glasso, you know, bronze medalist, you know, world, you know, it's more enjoyable when you watch it and you be a part of it. You know what I say? And like you can live through others, bro. Especially when you know say, oh, man did it. And you know say you could have do it too, and then you say, all right, you sit back now and see and then watch the younger youth them do it, bro. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Facts. Yeah. What more ask us though? What was that medal? What was the feeling when you made a Glasso?
Yeah, no, to be honest, bro, me even did feel like emotions, to be honest. Me did vex.
You vex?
Yeah, me did vex. Why? Was because me did do better than what me did do. So me did vex about it. Me did happy and grateful. Nevertheless, me that be grateful or whatever. So me can't say me never grateful. Me did grateful, but as it relates to what me did have or what me did want, me did fall short.
Right.
So that's pretty much, but me grateful because that me look on that and I say, yo, me never get an outdoor medal, but me did grab one indoor. You get me? I say, cause me that say,
Yeah.
can me say to myself, so me not go empty handed. Cause when me go through fifth round, me did about 8 or 7, literally.
Yeah.
And me look on it, and me have a teammate at the time, and I see my teammate gone up in a third, and I said, this not go on today. So same time I stay so I draw for the club, and me start do all drills and sitting because my body that sleep. It did early, bro. Early in the morning. It was like maybe 2 o'clock in the morning. I have to jump 8:30 and I'm sitting in it was a terrible condition.
Yeah.
So it was more so, and then we did only have like 48 hours, so it kind of adjust to the time difference. So it did crazy. But it did fun though, to be honest. Like it did fun. The next day I wake up now, I realize that they actually get a medal. And then the little perks where it come with all of them stuff. So sometimes in the moment, make you feel.
Yeah.
Until like after you realize that, yo, actually get a medal in a dog.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
So it was that feeling for me the next day after I really kick in because me tell me I have the medal everywhere me I go, brother.
to this day?
Me not have it now, but
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, everywhere me I go, bro, I have it, bro. Me take it and look and wipe it up. Wipe it up every day, bro.
So how circuit stay, dog? How circuit?
Yeah. Go on, go on. I'll get into that.
The circuit fun when you have a name. Yeah, it's fun. But if you don't have a name, then
Oh. Explain, me not understand.
Yeah.
If somebody will have a medal were to be on the circuit, they feel a lot more comfortable being there because they feel like more professional, if that makes sense. Versus somebody who don't have a medal, who just barely scrap for getting at the meet.
Yeah.
And you go there and see our sponsor. If you go there and see this, I'm gonna deck out in a full Nike kit, and you probably
Walmart,
have an Adidas,
Old Navy,
yeah. So it kind of demotivate you a little bit if you go there and not have like a support, if that makes sense. So like to the people who do it, it take a whole heap of courage and go to do it.
Yeah.
Because from the outside looking in, people say, "Oh, him go up on the circuit and do nothing." But when you go up on the circuit, it's a whole different ball game. You have to have like, and then sometimes too, most of the people have to look on it like you're not share a room with people you don't know. So sometimes you're in the room and the way it's like you sharing room with somebody where you don't know. It can be a good thing because you can become cool with people and socialize and whatever. But we are humans. Everybody have different stuff in them life where a trigger to them. So the me kind of like force you to step outside of your box. But also it make it will make you feel uncomfortable, but it's not to the point where they might try harm the athletes them. But more so like helping you step outside of your box. And then if you don't have the status now, you can't make certain requests. Like you can't pull up on
Mr. No Name can't make no request.
You can't say, you want your own room.
Yeah.
So like when you have perks like medal and them, you get your own room.
Someone like you have your own room, that's what I say.
All of the majority of the meets the very rare you will find me get a roommate.
So what your favorite meet you go?
Doha, bro. Doha did lit, bro.
Yeah.
Doha did nice.
I mean, Doha not always the finals key.
No man, no, change it, man.
Either
Zurich has to be.
Yeah, either Zurich or Brussels.
Okay. Yeah.
The weather always bad.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Oh, they say rain that fall.
No, the rain fall at Lausanne.
Brother.
Lasagna. What you say, lasagna?
No, Lausanne.
Brother, I'm an international dog. You have to make him.
Man, to our place, bro. Yeah, it's no. Like, this is very inspirational, bro. I mean, for younger youths, if you know, say, you can come from Clarendon.
No. I mean Clarendon. Brother,
man come from Clarendon, brother. I want to make it so defensive.
Brother, I'll be a top man come from Clarendon. I'll make his own.
He not even hear what me have to say it. He not even listen to what me have to say it.
I know your turn, dog. I'm telling you, Carey, watch me, dog. I man love call me countryman, dog. You see me? So you have to watch him and say, dog. You have to watch him and say. I him come from, we not come from country. Him come from country.
That's where we come from.
You see me? Yeah. But true countryman.
Well, no. But for real though, for man from Clarendon, from Garvey Massey, make a transfer, go KC, transition to the NCAA system and then turn pro and then just tour in the world, in a different era codes. I mean, this is inspirational for a lot of younger Jamaicans to see say, it's possible.
Yeah.
You know what I say? If they really put in the work ethic, and it can get done, bro. I mean, I think it's just all about mindset. A lot to overcome along the way, because say school involved in it. You know what I say? And that's a big part of it. Say if get the grades them, you can't compete and then look at thing there. So, if you just watch you do it, bro, it's crazy. If you just say, hit all these era codes and you do well.
So hold on, me not think how you go ask you, but me go ask you. Era code. What day today I win? Forgot the day. But anyway, Thursday, Thanksgiving go on. Wagwan.
You know, so crazy. Many people remember about Thanksgiving.
We're not talking about Thanksgiving this still.
Turkey.
Turkey, I talk about.
We don't know about that.
All right. So you're a chicken thing there. You're not the on
We
turkey.
don't know about that. We don't know about that.
All right. You know, I elaborate on that.
That's so diplomatic still.
I play the fifth. You probably couldn't get an interview, you know.
That is true. That is true.
Yo,
That is
oh
true.
God. Oh God, that's crazy, bro. So what's your plans for the upcoming season though?
You know, so this year, not even next year. Well, next year, I don't really have much.
Yeah, Commonwealth are going to.
Yeah, but as I'm saying, as it relates to like training and stuff like that, but just there Jamaica just have one.
Cool out.
Yeah.
Yeah, me start back training last week.
So okay, so would you switch camp? I see that
Anjanette Knight, Akira Nugent gone.
Yeah.
Who else gone?
Yeah, a lot of people. Yeah.
Everybody are
Yeah.
going, brother.
Ricketts. All right, that's the name. Would you join Ricketts camp?
I think about it. We have conversations, but timing.
Okay. That makes sense. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. It has to be with a good timing as it relates to still overseas.
Yeah, the point we're in there, like,
yeah.
okay.
So and it's easier said than done for us. Say, all right, make up all overseas and come to Jamaica. Just
that not easy, brother.
Yeah. So it have to be something where gradually do and not just go crash and burn and just make that big
fair
transition
point.
and just crash. Yeah. So it will take its time, and if that's the right thing, then that's going to be the right thing.
Yeah. But me definitely think say a training partner would help. I mean, a good training partner, not nobody if it come there and so up a training session every time. You know what I mean? I say because that can be such a burden, bro. You know what I mean? I say like do your thing a yard. You must can compartmentalize and say yo keep your thing out yourself and come and training country. Yeah, like bro, we are big man, brother.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I say, but me definitely think say yo iron charm iron every time, brother.
No, I think about it all the time because I think also to that was something we did miss because even when we did in college, never train anybody.
Yeah.
College, go to college, never. People always think say me and Wayne them train. We never used to train like that.
True, not different training, like a timing thing, alright, those just never like collide.
Can be timing. I think it was more so timing too because remember said me did already the ahead of him in a school, so him have to go class. Me never really have to go class. Or whatever, or me have less credit hours, so me never have as much workload in a class. So then when we just make the transition, we usually train in the morning. It's still in a school, so it's never the time where we train. Even when we did in a college together, we never train together because we did depend two different. Me in a grad school, him in a undergrad. So grad school was like me only go class nighttime, so me not go train in the evening.
That
go class night. So
you know.
We never get trained together.
You can't train by myself.
Yeah, man, rough man.
Well, for running it might be that bad, but like for me, it not bother me that much. But me know say having a training partner with a fuel, you actually try because one day you have a mad jump day.
Yeah,
it would have been crazy. You give me.
Yeah.
If you not have it, you just not have it. Like, you can't go away if you ain't have. So you just have to work the way you get presented to you.
So hold on it. So in terms of like lifting, how that go? I just you see him off a memory, you write down what you lift on them thing there?
Me usually did have like pictures of like most of the stuff you want me do. Because if you to be honest, like and you can't go to anybody that ask them for one weights program. Everybody basically do the same thing. I mean minor things them change.
Yeah. Because I have about 2 years of my weight program and track
all of them are the same.
Yeah, me everything. Yeah, I'm write down everything, man. Everything.
All of them look the same.
Everybody
you just know when you do what and what not to do.
Yeah.
And you can kind of navigate where we are because we a lot of the time we athletes don't trust yourself.
True.
That's the biggest part to track and field. You have to trust yourself.
Yeah.
Just but like you would have trust the coach, you have to trust yourself.
Yeah, and I guess so. All right, so we want to touch that point there too. And I guess so it come with the guidance too, you know. With training alone. If you're not trusting yourself, you need a guidance of somebody if you say, yo, listen, we're gonna get this done today. I know if you kind of to get a confidence booster there and to kind of fuel your throat one training session where you might feel difficult, you know. So that's why I say you might need, you know, that little gem there in your corner while you get your work done can even prevent injury.
Yeah. True. It I feel like even though with track and field, it's just, as I say, we always a train. We always a prepare ourselves. We always a do everything we can to stay healthy.
Right.
In track and field, that's never the case. You can get hurt at your
any
best
given moment.
Right. You can literally be healthy the whole year and championship will come up next week and you wake up in the morning. You feel good and you got training and it just crash.
Yeah, true.
But we have to take care of mental first. You see me? You see mental part. This is a mental tough sports, you know. If you're mental not ready yet, you know, you have a problem. You see me? You have to get your mental frame right. And say once that active, you have to feed the mind before you feed the body.
Brother, to me, dog.
The mind powerful, man.
Yeah. You see, if you're not fit up as a dog, nothing we do.
Yeah, bro. Physically, you have to be ready, bro.
Let me tell you that. You see, I'm last year time I compete, brother. Believe you me, that. I mean, I bet you on my life, dog. I mean, I joke. I got a pen release, brother. And it's so away, but my man name, Bryce Deadman, dog. I beat him another happens in a brother. But brother, see, after that, dog, I not get no more race. All because I'm agent really and truly, dog. You see, me never compete a lot, brother. So I got try as dog, but just not feel good. All of my time them in a practice look good. Dog, when me a jog, dog, joke thing, brother.
I think now to even track and field not really feel the same no more.
Why
as it relates to like, I just feel like it just get biased now, like straight up bias.
Brother, actually in it, the bias for a long time.
No, as if no. Like if you look,
explain that.
If you look on how the sports are going, it just, and me I look on it from a perspective as saying, I would be like an athlete who don't have a sponsor. Not because I don't have a sponsor, I mean I cannot get into a meet. Half of the time them where the people are at the meet, not really do not for the people who actually wanted it. Not say work your butt off to reach whatever, pass panda. But not saying work yourself.
Work hard, yeah.
But you have people who did it who actually want the opportunity who can't get it.
Yeah.
And just because as it comes to
nepotism
status. If you don't have a sponsor, bro, you can't get nothing in any meet, bro.
Yeah.
If you don't have the right team, you can't get nothing in any meet.
Brother.
So like
I always say Carey nepotism or something like that.
A nepotism, man.
Yeah.
Trucks a nepotism, brother. Carey, a nepotism, dog. Brother, you can't have one agent as a dog and change to a next agent. In a same season, I'm better.
I'm getting every meet.
Everywhere, brother.
Every meet.
Everything.
Yeah.
For real. Track and field take a lot, bro. Like it's more mental than physical. You can be physically fit and mentally brain weak. I worry about how you have to pay your next bill or something like that.
Yeah, dog.
So
bro.
Now track and field become a job and not for fun.
Yeah.
Like everybody you see now, that's why probably everybody have the grimace step on them face, or everybody feel like say them go have a bad meet and feel like they can talk to you reckless and them stuff there.
Oh. So you say circuit no nice at all, brother.
No, it is a job. No, it's a job. No, it is a job.
Yeah, it is a job.
You know,
it is a job, you know.
You have to have love. You have to love.
Yeah, but you have to have love for it. Yeah. And then if you have love for it, you have to be fun.
Yeah. But if you're not fun, you don't want to do the job.
Yeah, you don't want to do the job.
Think about it, when you have a job, if everybody come a jump there and just lay them up, so you're not going to jump where you want to jump. Make everybody come a train and say, yo, Odin, you think you can beat me out today?
Martin, come on!
Jump all 1 centimeter better than your personal best. And knowing you can't beat it, but you have the energy there. And you go jump all 5 more over fee PR.
Yeah.
It's a different vibe than somebody who just show up and just say, yo, you know they not beat you. And then show up and a chat and just lay them up the place. They know they can't beat you and then just defeat themselves already.
True.
Yeah.
True.
So you have to have that you have to have something outside of the sport to keep you alive.
So what you have outside that sport to keep you alive?
Family and friends. That's what I'm saying.
You come a yard.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Because as I'm saying, being so far away from home, different from you can't just go down the street. And then
very much
over the years of just like all the accomplishment, You can't take up all your trophy them just go walk down the street to show your mother or father.
True.
Yes, what I say.
True,
So like
true.
them stuff they kind of like missing
Yeah.
from the sport. So it's not nothing to do with like half of the time it's not to do with the sport. It can be
Yeah.
something outside of the sport that contribute to why you feel or you're feeling in the sport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fair.
So
Fair point.
that's
Fair
some of the
point.
main thing that we can look at and say, yo, I can't just take up myself and you have a bad car, you can't because you go to the car. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
It's lame, bro. Till me take up myself and scrap down car and them stuff like that and build them up.
So,
Me
mechanic.
actually see it. No, me actually see him
Bro, me
scrap
can't
down
stage too. Me do
in
that
Bima.
from scratch, bro.
Yeah, me see him put in things in it and me I say, watch out, dog, turn mechanic. Ear skull, earbuds. No, but it's a good hobby. You have to find a hobby.
Yeah.
All right, so Carey McLeod me from what day for find a hobby. Find a hobby. See me go buy DJ system, a sound system, me go pick up.
Brother, dog, me tell you, dog. See, me tell you, see,
No,
first year.
when you find a hobby, man, you find peace, man.
Peace,
Yeah.
yeah, dog. Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
You can't say walk a gum, so brother.
Yeah.
Dog.
Peace,
Yeah.
bro.
You need something, you need a getaway.
Yeah,
You know?
dog.
And then that little
Yeah.
escape there, you're free of mind because when you occupy your mind and do something else, it's so therapeutic.
Yeah.
You know
bro.
what I say? Me clean yesterday, bro, and like me never feel so relaxed in a long time, brother. Like when me lay down, I was like, bro, this is so therapeutic, bro. Right, but just sit up. You know what I say? Like certain things me find like fun for me.
Yeah.
You know?
Come back from Worlds. When I come back from Worlds, me I say, yo, it never go me did one, but it feel some type of way. Come me I say, yo, bro. I forget how me that.
Yeah.
So it crushed me that. So I come back, it's alright. So in the house and me did that, and it's alright. We need to find something for them.
Yeah.
Me never want go out and go do no foolishness. Not what I say me go do it. So I'm saying, cool. The car did the park. I say, I'm gonna find something though. And me just order the parts of what I need. And me just literally just scrap it down and put it back together.
I want kit you put on.
Me do a conversion, the back bumper and the front bumper. Me do intake.
Boost you do intake?
Patch pipe.
So like, you have the background there?
Pan, me do a catch pan. Me change on flex fuel pump. Bro, me can't literally stage 2, bro. Me can't mad, bro.
Yeah, me know what
Billy, brother.
It mad. So like, you have the background or just learn it on the go?
My father and mechanic.
Your father, okay. Okay. That's why I find the background. Okay.
I never own one Bima. So me literally don't know about Bima.
Okay.
And then me just buy the tool and just say, alright. If me pull out that screw, me don't have one pan and me just write the name on it.
Okay.
One next couple of times, we just start scrap it down and without even have to look on.
Yeah, you know everything for go down.
Yeah, like everything is just like pretty much plug and play. I mean, I do it, and I tell you, do it, bro. I not that simple. Nothing, bro. Nothing, never that thing.
Yeah, free the mind, man.
We just calm, bro. And then says, oops, kept on the road now and say, yo, this mad. So and scrap it down again and add even more stuff to it. And I say, oh, this mad, guys.
Yeah.
It was like something we did just fine. It just did fun.
Yeah.
Till when me carry me couldn't do the alignment myself after me did make the car faster.
I
change the whole, I upgrade the brakes, everything I upgrade myself. Rotor, everything changed, everything myself. Everything. We do a whole different work on the car. And I say, I couldn't do certain stuff, but I did go and shop. I go and shop one day and I said that do an alignment. And right after I done the alignment, I sit down on my phone and book a ticket and say I go.
Just so. Your mind clear, man. Your mind
clear.
Yeah, your mind clear.
Literally, bro.
Yeah, your mind clear.
Literally. So that's what I said. It wasn't like me not gonna make emotions, make decision after emotions. Don't make decision.
I think. Yeah, you definitely. And then as I say, if your family, you see your family, man. It's important. Crazy how supportive they are.
Yeah.
And you don't even notice, man. Yes, man. And then when you're the overseas, and then that the worries where you have for them, you know, it play upon your mind without even notice. It just play in your head, rain free. You know what I mean? I say, just sit down at worry. You did it enough, but you not even notice.
Think about it.
And you not think about it. So, you clear mind and then.
Every championship where you go, notice the people where you say, do extremely well. Them family did it.
Yeah, true.
Sometimes I get the money.
That's all matter. You see all your mother in a stand. Yeah, we with different circumstances, you know. Yeah. I mean, we have to make it best side still, you know. And I do it, my friend. I do it, bro. Big woman thing, bro. Man. Yeah, man. We want to keep your chin up, bro. Big man thing, bro. Cause we have to protect these generation of jumpers, bro.
Yeah.
Cause people hit the transfer portal. We are losing jumpers them. You know what I say? So
you have to make lifetime opportunity decision.
Yeah, I mean, I would hit the transfer portal too. I would have hit it. I would have.
Love Thanksgiving, you know.
My favorite holiday, man. My favorite holiday.
But you know, but in a whole ordeal, bro. You done there and you did it and we want to see the greatness, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
They did them, man.
Yeah, man, they did it. So you definitely want it mental for sharpen up. You know what I mean? I say anything you worry about, you go home, fix it, bro.
Yo, here we are, dog. Here we are, dog. My place, brother. Salt River. Best beach in Jamaica.
Bro, Salt River be a crocodile down there, bro.
Brother, I best place. You can't come at Clarendon.
No, me go down there. I have siblings them go down there this week.
Yeah, bro.
Weekend. Probably next weekend.
Go in the morning, brother.
No, I not the morning, me I go. The best time.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah, go on the right at
me know they're not me as man. Yeah, me know man.
Bad man.
But me drive.
Yeah,
me drive road still, listen me.
Yeah, me I go down there one of them day, man.
Yeah, you can't go straight pan the road still in the dark. The road mash up, you know. You have to either you have to come run through Freetown. Yeah, dog. Yeah,
bro. Me have one last. No. Finish your second. No, just have one last. Oh, Salt River. I'm not going to finish one answer.
Are you a top man?
Oh, so me have one last question. Me have. Zane, was it an issue after your coach left for you to train at Arkansas still at the moment?
It was no issue. It was my choice. The coach can't force it to follow him.
No, as in for you the facility. Since our new coach. Okay.
Top man, lad.
Remember.
Me a top man. Brother, I'm a top man.
No,
yeah.
Easy. But if you contribute to the university and the university don't allow you to use the facilities, it look bad upon them.
Yeah. But will let the school do that though? Yeah, that's what I asked. I'll let the school do that.
No, Arkansas, that's one thing we can say about Arkansas. Arkansas care about them alumni.
Okay. Fair enough.
So me never have no issues with nobody. Park anywhere I want, enter any one of the facilities them. It's just like once you do the work and once you make your name, you kind of the perks of making your name. Winning national title, we a lot. So
dog, I saw me not have the pedigree where you have, but I saw me feeling me that. No, I just see facts, brother. I just see facts. You know what I mean?
Really.
But the same time I take a step, brother. In my mind, me feel it, me treat like me a soldier. You see me? Me serve my time, me serve my country. You see me? So when me walk in, me need my food.
Just rewards.
Yeah. Me no want to.
Brother, listen to them, man, brother. It's a man that in big old. You walk in, you see him preach up, put on gas. What am I talking about?
Regardless, we know depend. Feed them on a level, dog. You see me? This is a man depend different level, dog. You see me? I just the truth. I just the truth.
Yeah, this is a man, bro.
Brother, I just the truth.
No, but no. The reason why me ask, you know, Zane, because more people understand, say, because not everybody can have the type of luxury there. True. Because a whole heap of people after they done school, they got to go.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I say? So more viewers them who watch, if you know, say, listen. I mean, your work ethic will get you places. As simple as that.
Oh.
As you say, top man.
Top man.
I didn't cancel that yes, really.
A top man, brother. All right, you know if you say it to me, I understand. You know what I say it to me. You see me? As a fan, top man. Because me not be no fan to no man when I'm not top man. I just something.
Yeah.
You see me? Me not go look on the ball and say, yo, this a man is a good. If you're not top ball, you're not top baller. Simple as that, brother. You're a top man. Simple as that, brother. You don't have to say it, you see me?
Everything them say, I guess what them say when you have status, it comes with all of the perks.
Benefits.
Perks.
Yeah.
And I guess that's some of the stuff that when they realize, say, if it also good for the university if you keep somebody like me around and you have athletes that come up on recruitment. Like what if athletes look up to the athletes and them probably don't want there. So that's why you find some people can't get good athletes.
True.
And some get the better athletes because they have the old alumni them still there. Who wouldn't want to go train with Usain Bolt if Usain Bolt did I got the university and him there at the university?
Good point.
True. Even if they don't have nothing to do with the school, as long as they know same did them, we got it.
True.
Yeah.
So it benefit the university in so many ways. A lot of universities.
No, many ways.
But sometimes it not have nothing to do with the coaches them though. It has to do with the higher up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so sometimes I know the coaches them decision because whenever the coaches them, they make everybody stay there and train. So
true.
That's never the case.
Yeah. Good,
so
good,
before
good.
we end it still, any motivation to use them? You know what? Better me that want you motivate. Tell yourself because me not lie. Although you dog have me never know say a 6 meter jump. Me not tell you lie. 6 meter kind of low, brother. Me not agree with that. So we that tell yourself looking back right now, dog.
Honestly, mood change is not only the going from Garvey days to now. I think how I grew up, how the development go was just me doing me as it relates to me never look across to see somebody else's progress. My progress was just always my progress. As I say, I see all the people that do way better than what I do. It never discourage me. But I know say over the next couple of years, if me actually figure it out, it becomes a problem. And I never give up. And one thing to me that I tell every athlete, like if you need help, don't fear to ask it. Like the worst somebody can tell you is no, and if that door they close, something else will open. So them they are probably most of the most important stuff for keep me grounded. No say I don't look over in somebody else's lane while them are progress. Because somebody can progress faster than you, don't mean say them are gonna maintain it for longer.
True.
All the athletes do what they're supposed to do from early.
True.
Your calling time different from somebody else's calling time. Just like sprinters, jumpers going at the call room different times. Same thing with
you. True.
So
yeah, man.
Man like earbuds.
Respect, man. Respect.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I swear. And we just want you keep your chin up. We definitely, as I said, we definitely have to protect with jumpers. We are excelling at field events now. You know, me I say, on a different caliber. You know, I think we need to maintain that. So we can have, because when we are talking about it, we want to be all rounded. You know, we have jumps, sprints, everywhere. Shows everywhere. We want it right across the board, and we have to start from somewhere. And then, brother, I'm just proud of you. I'm so proud of all the accomplishment.
So far,
and just to see the journey. Just to see the journey and the whole transition, it's amazing to watch, man. I appreciate you. Yo, big up man like here, boys.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, dog. Big man, big brother.
Here is skull.
Yeah, man.
But anyways, guys, thanks for our next episode. You don't know, say like, share, subscribe. You don't know, say Reason Beat Podcast. Might get podcast around town.
Big up.
Big up yourself.
All right.